Yeah, blower is there. Yeah.
Previous one, because it will change points for blower, for suction and discharge.
Actually, for this blower, I have made separate. Yeah, sludge holding the tank. Yeah. Blower. Just a minute, give me a second. I'm just trying to search number 70 and 20. Yeah. So this is a node number 5. And then sludge go to the digester tank. This one, number 16. So this is the only node here. Number 17 page. I'm just trying to see the link. Okay, it is here. Okay. So this is their blower. So let us start our description of no and less flow. And but you have the air blower. Air blower should also be there, no? Yeah, air blower.
It's not related to.
No, air blower should be there, no? This is sludge air blower. So we must have the blower also, right?
Yeah.
Can someone help me about the PN ID number?
10 of 17, but 17 last one is blue line. Yeah, this one.
This is air blower. Okay.
Yeah, this is not another liquid line. This is blower.
Blower line. Okay, correct.
But it also controls the levels and everything.
Okay, correct. Understood. So guys, there is two blower. One is standby, right, Emma?